Hi, as we learned what are robots and how they work, and what are blocks and what are their functions. So now we are going to know how to run a robot. So now we have a robot here in our right hand side of the screen. So first I'll make it move forward by help of the joystick. And I'm moving forward and turning right and again moving forward and again turning left and then move backwards. So this is not a robot now because I was the one who is controlling it, not the code. And I'll reset it. So now, how do we make a robot to move all by itself? So for that we need a code. For writing a code, we have a blocks here. And as we learned in the last video that in controls, my program is the most important code. So we will just double tap it and drag it on the main screen. After dragging it on the main screen, our code have been started. After that, then we will go for the loops because we want it to repeat it sometimes, right? So we will drag this block and place it under my program. After doing this, we will go to math because we want to tell it to repeat it certain times. For doing that, we need a value. For example, right, like move three times. So we need to tell the robot to move three times. So for that, we will be using the first block from the math, and we will drag it in the middle. And as of now, we will repeat it 5 times. So 5 is entered. After that, now our program is set for repeat 5 times and do what it should do. For that we need to go for the movement and we will drag it here. So now our program is ready. Like my program, repeat 5 times and moving forward. So now robot will move forward 5 times. See? Got it? So next we will press reset and we will save the code first so that it will move seamlessly. And after saving, here we will click on start. 1 2 3 4 5. So now the robot have started simulation and it have worked all by itself. Now we can say that this is a robot. So after resetting it, again I'll start it. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it have moved five steps as we have commanded here. So if I do it 3 steps and again save it and start it again. So 1 2 3. That's it. So this is how robots work. As our command, it will do its simulation. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will learn more about these cool robots. So see you in the next video, Future Robot Builder.